Good morning and welcome to Wicklow. How cool is that? Doesn't it look lovely? I'm going up there and I'm going to go all the way to the top and follow the white trail around towards the copper mines and back to the upper lake rather, at Glendalough. A little bit of fog. Not overly concerned. I'm hoping that the fog is going to clear. And certainly when I've came into the car park, it was literally rolling away. So that's the concern. It's the fog. Look at that. Cool. Obviously an amount of deforestation has happened up ahead. I don't know if you can see, but there's a young lady with her 2 dogs ahead of me, and she does this route and other routes around here on a regular basis. She's a lot slighter than me. She's shorter legs than me. I'm going to say she's younger than me, but I'll tell you what, she's a damn sight fitter than me. She passed me by, left me standing. It was nice to have a little chat as we were walking along, and I've stopped, took some photographs anyway, and that's my excuse. So Ridge just walked along. Lake 1 in the distance. Lake 2 is closer to me, but basically all the way along here. I think I'm parallel with the end of the lake, pretty much. Still climbing. Wow, it's gorgeous up here. That is still, well, that's still Turlough Hill over there. Turlough Hill, as my wife calls it, Turlough Hill. But we love her with a bit of a panoramic shot. You can see it's kind of coming downhill now. It's lovely. It's a testament to the Irish government or Wicklow County Council or whoever decided it was a good idea to put a boardwalk. Let's face it, if they didn't put this type of boardwalk in, you would be walking on that. You wouldn't walk on that. So it's an absolute testament, and this is, to me, it's a tonic, it's a pleasure, it's just fantastic to be able to come up here and enjoy it. However, I do find it slightly frustrating. I've passed 2 massive 1-ton fertilizer bags, that's what we'd normally put into them, but it's full of rubbish. So someone has had to come up here and collect the rubbish. I'm enjoying this environment. I'm enjoying walking. It's, like I say, it's a tonic for my body and for my soul. It's just good for you. And I find it really, really annoying that people come up here walking, leave their boots, flip-flops, bring a picnic, and leave all the peels, wrappers, empty cans, etc., etc., strewn around the countryside. I don't see the point of it. I've got a little rucksack on my back, and all of the above mentioned are in it. I've had a little picnic, and I'll bring my rubbish home. And I feel that everybody else should too. End of rant. We're off of the boardwalk. It's a little bit higgledy-piggledy, but hi, it's good. It's all good. Let's have a little look. Awesome. As Teapot One would say, look at that. Look at that. Who doesn't like the sound of running water? God. Oh, hang a right, look at that. Running water, a valley, lakes, rocks. No people except me. It's good. I like it. I believe I've just walked that. It's that hill over there, all the way along the top of the ridge, up, over and back, down. Miners' cottages. I don't think you can see the miners' cottages ahead. There's a couple more around over there. There's actually caribou or reindeer over there. It's awesome. Yeah, it's just lovely. Hopefully you can see and hear, and hopefully the wind noise is not too much. Bruce, look at that. But we're still going down, so it's instead of kind of climbing back up again on the other side, we're actually going down. So we're going to be pretty much well, the level of the lake, I should imagine, by the time well, it won't take long. We'll be at the level of the lake. Okay, the pathway's got a bit better again now. So yeah, it's a little bit of a challenge this side. You don't have the boardwalk to walk on, but something that resembled a roughly cobbled road to, well, yourself. But this is the pathway. Some of it is a little bit loose underfoot, as you may be able to hear. But we are still descending. The top of that silhouette, all the way along, that's what I've walked. And I tell you what, my little low legs know they have as well. That's a big rock. Look, it's the Valley of the Rocks. Am I host? Someone's done a wall, look. Got enough rocks, build a wall. It's Donald Trump round here. Get the Mexicans out, Donald, you arsehole. So as it turns out, it wasn't a copper mine, it wasn't a silver mine, it was a lead mine. And it was awesome and epic and wonderful. This roadway back to the car park doesn't disappoint. I mean, it's absolutely gorgeous. It's under nice and shaded underneath the trees. And after the steps at the start, the boardwalk that we walked over the top of the two hills, and then the descent on the rocky road, rocky footpath, whatever you like to call it. This is a cakewalk. This is absolutely a breeze, really, but absolutely beautiful. Oh, and goodbye. I hope you have enjoyed some of my walk this morning. I certainly have. I found it wonderful. So, in case you're wondering, this was the White Walk at Glendalough, bringing you over the top of the two hills, through the old lead mining village, and back down the left-hand side of the lake to the upper lake car park. And we'll jump in the car and get out of Dodge, back down to Drogheda Newbridge. So until next time, see you again. Please, if you've liked the video today, please like and share. Click the thumbs up or thumbs down. Please leave a little comment, and yes, share it amongst your friends. Take care of yourself. Bye. Right. I am going to point the camera across the lake, and I cannot promise anything because the sun is shining, which you can't really complain about. But directly across there's a hole, and you probably can't see it with the camera, but that's where St. Kevin's Bed is. Okay, till next time people, take care.